Ever accidentally deleted a contact and felt that sinking feeling? Don't worry, getting them back on your iPhone is often easier than you think. The most common and often easiest method relies on iCloud. If you had iCloud contacts enabled when your contacts were still there, you might be in luck. First, head into your iPhone settings app, tap on your Apple ID name at the very top. Within your Apple ID settings, tap on iCloud. Now, look for the contacts toggle, make sure it's switched on. If it was off, your contacts weren't being sent to iCloud. If it was on, proceed to the next step. This step is crucial. If your contacts toggle was indeed on, you'll want to force a sync. The best way to do this is to turn the contacts toggle off for a moment. You'll likely see an option asking if you want to delete contacts from your iPhone. Choose delete from my iPhone. Then, immediately turn the contacts toggle back on. This action prompts your iPhone to re-download any contacts sent to your iCloud account. Give your iPhone a minute or two, and voila. If your contacts were previously synced, they should magically reappear in your contacts app. Think of it as pulling a fresh copy from the cloud. Now, what if iCloud didn't have your deleted contacts, or you never had it enabled? Don't despair just yet. Your next best bet is to restore from a backup you made with iTunes on a computer or Finder on newer Mac versions. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Select your iPhone and choose the option to restore backup. You'll be able to choose from a list of past backups. Select a backup made before you accidentally deleted your contacts. This will overwrite your iPhone's current data with that older backup, restoring your contacts. If neither iCloud nor a computer backup worked, specialized iPhone data recovery software is your final option, though this usually requires purchasing a program. These tools can scan your iPhone's storage directly for deleted data, including contacts. So there you have it. From the effortless grace of iCloud to the reliable backup restore, recovering deleted iPhone contacts is definitely achievable.